beautiful green juice on the menu again. First thing what we're going to do is put some water inside of the blender. I'm going to be using roughly about half buckles of water. Secondly, we're going to put some celery. If you have a good blender, it's perfect for you, but I'm just using what I have. So that's my celery. Now we're going to put a green apple inside. We're going to put some cucumber. We're going to put some lime, or if you have lemon. So we're going to be using roughly about 1 lime. I'm just removing the skin from the lime. Alright, and what you do, put it straight inside of it like that. Fresh ginger is a must. You can't do this without ginger. Ginger. Secondly, I have some parsley, and I'm gonna just simple use up a little bit of parsley I have left back. Right here, that's my flat parsley I have right there. Also, you cannot make this kind of drink and you're not gonna be putting a piece of a fresh mint inside of it. So the mint definitely will give it a kick, a nice lovely kick. Secondly, I have some spinach. You cannot make this kind of drink and you're not putting spinach. Thirdly, I have some curly Kale, Kale. I'm gonna put that straight inside of it, press it down in a little bit. We have about 2 handfuls of spinach and Kale. Alright. And that is marvelous. Now we're gonna do simple, take it to the blend, and I know definitely you guys gonna love this recipe because you don't need to put any honey, no sugar, nothing inside of it because all of these things are sweet. Nice one. So I just set up my my strainer to run it straight through my strainer like this. Some person will have the fiber, but me personally, I can't angle the fiber sometimes. You know what I mean? I prefer like, yeah, strain it like that. You know what I mean? Take my little time and just simple strain it like this. Beautiful one, guys. Green juice, you know what I mean? Very good for your body. The best thing to do with the green juice is to wake up early in the morning and make it and bring it to work with you. Don't make it overnight. I don't encourage any one of you guys to make it overnight and put it in the fridge. Give yourself a 10 minutes extra in the morning and make it. Look at that fiber. Beautiful. Nice and lovely. So lovely and nice. That's it so far. Yeah. I just run it through my strainer. Now, as you can see, looking good. Ah, that is amazing. Look at that, guys. All right, that looking really good. If you like the recipe, as I always said, if you like the recipe, please subscribe, leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend. And a friend tell a friend. We have a lot more recipes coming and a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. So let's drink together. Stay tuned. That beautiful juice, and honestly, I said to myself, say, you know what? Let's cheers with you guys. As I can see, it's split. You know what I mean? I think I had a little bit too much water, but it's fine. You know what I mean? It's going inside of his stomach, innit? It's just amazing. I'll tell you something, guys, you know what I mean? Sometimes we're making this kind of juice. It doesn't need sugar, nothing inside of it. Because all of the ingredients, they're so sweet, you know what I mean? So you just have to be careful. I love this one, it's amazing. Ah, fantastic. Lovely green juice. Really nice. Can taste the ginger and the mint and the lemon. Beautiful. I love it. Nice. Thank you so much, and I will see you next time in the kitchen with more recipe. It's amazing. I love it. Tastes amazing. I love it. Thank you for watching Chef Ricardo show, and I will see you next time in the kitchen with more recipe. Bye bye.